Hi guys, welcome to this full review of this VRTFCEO Gel Blaster gun, which is currently listed on Amazon, and it comes with 11,000 gel beads, shoots up to 100 feet, has speed up to 200 feet per second, can shoot up to 6 rounds per second, and it comes in a total complete set where you get everything to start. And there's a lot of description already here on this page, which you get here, instructions manual. Hope you can see that. It shows most of it but not everything, but don't worry, I'm going to show you everything. I mean, it can be considered to be safe. Yeah, here they are saying from 14 years old. Yeah, that's probably a good age. I mean, I would say it's pretty safe, but there's still quite some speed with these gel balls. But I've already tried it, even on my hand. I've been shooting about from this distance on my hand. It gave me just a little bit of reddish, but nothing happened. But if you are doing this with a couple of persons, I highly recommend to use these glasses, which are also included. You can see you can expand them here, so they fit also perfectly for large adult heads. And again, it comes with everything. I mean, you have to expand these gel balls, but I'm also going to show how this works. It comes with this rechargeable lithium-ion battery, comes with this charger and everything here. So I'm going to show what you have to do, how to prepare, and how you can shoot in real life. So first we have to charge the thing here, of course. Unfortunately, it's not a standard USB adapter, but it's pretty easy to use. You see, it has these openings here, and you have to align to these openings here on top. And you can see it goes into green. I think it was blinking green when it was charging, so it's still considering this as full when we have the green solid light. So we can remove the thing here and add it to the gun. Inside looks like this, and so it comes like this here. Make sure that it's fully locked. You can release it here with this button, again easy, but it's actually secured. Here we have the on-off button. Unfortunately, it's a little bit difficult to see, but I can tell you on the left side it's active, on the right side it's inactive. You can see there's nothing you can do. On the left side it shoots already. Okay, I secured this again, but of course there are more things to prepare. We can remove this thing and replace with this silencer. This is something which is not described, but we can even secure it. Now it's secured. You can see, you can put it in like this and then twist it, and then it's secured. You also have to add this. I think this is how it goes. Yeah, I think this is good. Now it's also secured here. If you want to remove that, there's also this button here, and then we have this part here on top. Here we are in a lock position. You can see there's no hole. You have to put it to front so it aligns like this edge here, and you can see now it's open. We can feed the balls into here. To prepare the ammunition, you have to use a jar, something like that. What I have found is that a teaspoon full of that is even more than a full jar of this ammunition. So this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm filling 1 teaspoon here, more or less, and then I'm adding this to the water, you can see, and then we have to leave it for about 4 hours in the jar, and they will fully inflate to this size. What I've been using after that is this strainer to get rid of the excess water, and then putting this thing back with the funnel into this jar. So that worked absolutely easy. And also make sure that you are securing this. Put this ammunition away, definitely far away from small children, to prevent that small children are swallowing this, because this is expanding, and that wouldn't be good in your digestive system. I mean, if you swallow something like that, nothing would happen. It's not toxic and it's not inflating anymore, but you have to be careful to not expose this stuff to small children, of course. So we put this on the side for the next round of gaming. And so this is how you attach that. I would highly recommend to put the gun upside down and then screw it in like that. That's much easier. And also after you have been shooting like this, there are many gel pads now inside. If you want to remove, put it like this, shake them out and remove them. To store the excess balls, I'm using such a bag which is sealable, and you can see there's still a little bit of water. There's not much water, but still a little bit of water. Just make sure that your balls do not have a lot of water, because it could damage then the gun. But I would say this is absolutely perfect, dry enough. By the way, when the gel balls hit something, they will explode, then spread into small pieces, and they will dissolve over time outside. I mean, these are the things which a lot of people also are using in their vases for flowers. Absolutely no new invention, but now used for these gel blasters. But of course, I'm not going to shoot inside. I just want to show you how this works. We turn this on the left side and assume that we have the gels inside, and now we can pull the trigger. You can see how this works, and I've been already using this outside for a while and it worked really good. I mean, it's not a high precision weapon or so, and luckily it's of course also not very dangerous. Again, I have hit my hand and it gave me just a little bit of light redness, but I would definitely recommend to not shoot on each other's head, and always use such glasses. I mean, this gives really nice protection here. I've already tried this and I felt really safe. That's a really good thing here. Make sure that all the people who are involved are wearing such safety glasses. So my bottom line is that this is a really nice, good starter set, and you're good to go, and I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.